an attempt to focus on the themes. No? Well, you listen to him, napakaganda ng pag-interpret because hindi lang niya isang theme ang kinuha, lahat kinuha niya at hindi lang cross-cutting across, but kanyang tinriangulate. Okay? Meaning, isang aspect dito, pinagsama dito, tinignan, where is it manifest? Okay? Napakagaling na pag-apply ng isang very important teaching strategy, yung looking at relationship. Mais, and sulog, sa ulog, and that, sa ulog, and sayaw. What I will suggest, para mas, this is okay, pero parang late in coming, para madagdag na, is to visualize it by drawing. Or drawing, paano yung ritual? Mas makita
So we're supposed to be taking pictures because most of these intangible icons are actually far from the mainland. The mainland is here, and we have to cross the Hapitan and go to the San Rafael.
I understand that. This is now a suggestion. No, either, pakinig kayo, yung mga sinasabi nyo activities, for example, mining, no, harvesting the corn, pwede nyo ipa-drawing sa isang illustrator. No, parang, sa museum ka, di ba, meron yung drawing. Kasi you cannot just photograph this. Kasi pagpunta mo, wala namang activity na gano'n. Pero, dinescribe sa inyo, they ask an illustrator to draw it. No? Tapos, pwede pang cartoons, di ba? At saka isa pa, you can also think of what they call dioramas. No? Yung mga rituals sa alam niyo yung diorama?
Yes.
No? Yung mga maliliit na mga, okay? That will give life to the text that you are doing. Okay? But this is already a very good attempt at deepening the research. No? Coming out with insights. And for that, congratulations.
Thank you.